Hi everyone, my name is Ajitesh, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can perform correlation analysis using ChatGPT. So let's get started. First of all, I would recommend you go to this website kaggle.com, then you go to this link dataset, then you search for house price prediction, right? Now, what we have is house price prediction dataset. There are many of them. All you need to do is select one of them. So what I'll do is I will go and select, say, one of this dataset, house price prediction, Seattle. Then I go and download it, right? And then I go and unzip it, and after I unzipped, I actually have got the data set in terms of training data set and the test data set. I will just go and see what is there into this data set. So I'll just open it with Notepad and see, yes, there are a bunch of columns including beds, baths, size units, lot size unit, zip code, and price. And you have actually the data here. All right, now let's go to the ChatGPT window, and I go and upload the data. So here is my data. I just go and upload it, and I say help me analyze the data set. Let's see what shows up. It writes the code using Python programming, and then it just prints the head. See, this is the head command, and it writes some information regarding the data set. Now here you can straight go and, so based on it, let's say we would like to perform some descriptive analytics. So give me descriptive statistics about the data. Let's see what does it shows me. So it gives me all of the information, including means, standard deviation, maximum, as well as minimum for each of the features, right? Now, let's go and perform some data cleaning. So perform data cleaning. So look for any empty or the null values, and it will remove. So here are lot size and lot size units, 347 missing entries. So what basically it's there is, it performs some analysis. Now there are 347 missing entries here. There are different ways of handling the missing entries or values. One of them can be remove all the rows where you have the missing entries. The second can be impute or replace those based on some strategy. And third is leave it as it is. So I think for doing any of this, we'll need to learn about the distribution of values. So we take a look at the value count. I would suggest convert all entries, all values to a single unit. Let's Let's proceed with recommended imputation strategies. So it just goes and see here, it imputes the missing values for lot size unit with the most common value square feet, which is there. And for the lot size, first all of the lot sizes are in the same unit, and then we convert the acre to square feet. So finally, this is what we have. Now we can do help me perform correlation analysis. Let's see what happens. So if you see, it just makes the use of method CORR, which is used to create the correlation matrix. Now here is what it does. So it gives you the correlation matrix. Then it also tells you about the correlation which exists. So if you see, the size and price as expected will have correlation. Then, but yeah, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms as expected will have the positive correlation with the size of the property. There is also a moderate positive correlation between lot size and the price. And there's a strong correlation between number of bedrooms and bathroom which is expected. So this is what I had to discuss in this video. Hope you liked what you saw. Alright, so thank you for watching it. Have a nice day.